guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to continue on my series around morning routine and why you should wake up early. And so one of the beauty thing about waking up early is I have time, a lot of time to journal and reflect. Now the most important reason why you need to do that is sometimes life gets in the way, you feel like you haven't achieved anything, you feel like you're reacting. So by waking up really early, I get to plan out my day. I get to preset my intention for the day. I get to reflect on what I've done last week or last month and really plan how I want to improve or achieve next month. And when you don't have time to do that, you kind of get caught up in the rat race, you get caught up in reacting to life, you basically just feel overwhelmed. But when you can collect yourself and feel at peace and calm because you're grounded, because you got time to really sort out your mind. It's like when you wake up early, you're able to kind of like clean up everything that's going on in your mind and declutter it, organize it so that when the day starts or when the day that everyone else starts working, you feel like you're already on top of the world. And so this is the feeling that I have that I'm so excited for other people to have. Is it's this amazing feeling when you feel like you're on top of the world. And I can't describe it because you have to feel it to know it. But when I sleep in, I know that I just feel really like not as energetic. I don't feel like I've won something or I'm on top of things. But when I wake up early and I've got through all these journaling, reflection, planning out what I want to do, I feel like in control of my life. I feel this sense of basically I'm on top of the world. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you the actual things that I do in the morning. So I have found Notion over a year ago, and this has been a really great way for me to map out everything that I need to do in the morning. Even though I've been waking up early for many years, I was just using different things. Maybe I was using a journal book, or I was using my phone app for gratitude. I was just using different things for everything. But using Notion, I'm able to create my own board, and each board has different purposes. One is for journaling, one is for dreams, one's for reflecting on the month or the quarter. So now I'm going to share with you behind the scenes of my actual Notion app that I use. And if you're looking for any templates like this, just let me know by contacting lynn@outsourcingangel.com.au, and I'm more than happy to send you the templates that you can duplicate, download, and use it for yourself as well. So when I wake up, this is the daily tracker that I fill out. So for example, by using Notion, you're able to kind of create your own little tracking tool. So I wake up and I log in my dream, I meditate, I write my journal, I do a little bit of Bible study, I pray, I read a little bit, and I exercise. In between there, I actually do some work. Working is not a habit I need to build. It's just something I need to do. So I didn't put it in here, but these are some of the little things that I do and make sure that I do every day. Exercise, drink a lot of water, drink protein, do my night journal, filling out my huddle sheet is actually my task list. And at the time in February, I was doing some book project that I wanted to do a little bit every day. So by having a tracker, you can, tick it off as you're going so that you know that you are being productive. So with Notion, you're able to create a lot of the templates for yourself. So when I wake up, I write in my sleep tracker. So you have your date, topic, I write down my notes there. I also always love looking back at my notes and have a laugh at what I've actually dreamt about. And then I do my journal. So in my journal, I created these. So these are all templates that I've created for myself. So I choose a main topic for the day. So I'm like, okay, what is today about? I know that today I'm going to I need to be productive because I have a lot of work to do. And then I choose my morning feeling, how I feel, the date, my intention. So I kind of write a little bit of a blurb of how I'm feeling, but then I also set my intention by saying, I am feeling this. I want to feel this. So, but it's not something you're feeling right now, but it's what you want to, the intention you want to feel this today. So if you're feeling stressed, you want to say, I am feeling calm. And there's something about setting that intention that actually sets the mood for the day. And then I write down my morning challenge. So this morning I forgot to finish. Morning challenge, you write down your gratitude. And then at night, I fill out like night feeling, end of the day rating, highlight of the day, and night challenges, etc. I also have a health journal that I made recently. So it's just setting up my intention of what I want to eat, what I actually eat, rate my day, etc. So by waking up early, I'm able to have time to do a lot of reflection. And this is where I pray for things. I might pray for things for myself, or I pray for people, pray for things that are happening around the world. So that's what I do. And then every single month, I also do a reflection. So January, I write down the highlights of January, challenges of January, the feelings I have in general about January. So every month, I would also reflect on the full month. And then every quarter, I also look at the overall 3 months and how did it feel, and how do I want to feel, and what's my intention for next quarter. So those are the different things that I do. I also keep a kindness tracker. So this is the kindness tracker. I like to note down the things that I do, because whatever you track means that you're putting focus and care in it, and whatever you focus grows. So I care about kindness, and I want to keep on doing more kind things for people. So I basically log it all in there. And so it's really important just to have that time to reflect and accumulate and calculate all the things that you need to do or have done, and you really feel like, oh wow, I've done so much, or oh wow, I've achieved so many things, I couldn't believe it. Because sometimes the days go by and you just feel overwhelmed and you feel like you haven't really done anything, but you actually have. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed my little tour of the Notion app. And like I said, if you need these templates or you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you again next time.